I want to do a quick video to show you the best way that I have found to use these amazing sinus inhalers. And I always have a trouble writing it down, so I figured I'd make a quick video. First, I want to take the time to say gratitude to my teacher, Nifer, and all my teachers, especially because she keeps a tradition so well, and to all her teachings and all her teachers. Gratitude. And these are really powerful sinus inhalers. So first thing you want to do when you have these inhalers is it's not a breathing exercise. This is just to get it into you really, really deeply. These are all fresh herbs to make the inhaler. So we want to cup our hands so we can cup over our nose and hold it. And we want to put it over our nose, and we want to close our left nostril with our finger. So we're going to breathe in through our right nostril and just breathe in really deeply all the way to your tummy. Let your tummy rise out and breathe deeply. Then when you're done, switch, hold your right nostril down and take your time. Take a lot of time. And then you want to open your mouth just a little bit and breathe in through your mouth. I suffer from mine being in my throat, so this helps me tremendously. And I just put my mouth open a little bit and breathe in deeply through my mouth. You want to repeat this at least 3 to 4 times. Thank you, and thank you again to my teachers and all the teachers out there. Gratitude to our Mother Earth.